Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says here, study study the following statement regarding lactic acid bacteria, that is LAB, which which are used to convert milk into curd. So there are different statements are given here. Four statements are given here, but the question is asking about which statement is correct regarding the lactic acid bacteria, and that is it is used for the conversion of the milk into curd. So first statement is given that they produce acid that coagulate and partially digest the milk protein. As we know, which type of bacteria, that bacteria is that is microbes, that is lactobacillus, and other are also on or other bacteria are also participate in this conversion, which is known as lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria. And in the lactic acid bacteria, the most important bacteria or microbe is lactobacillus. This is the lactobacillus. And this lactobacillus or these lactic acid bacteria are grow in the milk, and they convert the milk into the curd. Grow in the milk, and they convert milk into curd. And during the growth, this type of bacteria produce early main they produce lactic acid, and they add lactic acid to the milk, so for that the milk is converted to curd, and that coagulate and partially digest the milk. So this lactic acid coagulate, and this is also partially digest the milk, so for that milk is converted to curd. So this statement is correct here, because they produce acid. Which type of acid? Lactic acid. And this lactic acid coagulate and partially digest the milk protein, and it convert the milk into curd. Then second statement is given that is a small amount of curd added to the fresh milk as an inoculum contains millions of LAB, that is lab, which at suitable temperature multiply and convert milk into the curd. So for that, so this statement, that is there is a small amount of curd, the small amount of curd, this is known as a starter starter, and this is added to the milk, and kept at a suitable temperature, and in this temperature the lactic acid of the bacteria, this is multiply the lactic acid of the bacteria multiply multiply into millions, and convert the milk into the curd. So for that we use the starter, that is the some amount of curd are used, and the some amount of that is starter when added to the milk, they are also at a given temperature they give multiplication, or by the reproduction, different type undergo reproduction, and there are multiple the multiple bacteria or bacteria are formed, and they produce lactic acid. So this is the one process also. Then this statement is correct. Then third statement is given that conversion of milk into curd improves its nutritional quality by increasing vitamin B12. So this statement is given that is the conversion of milk, when milk is converted to curd. So as it converted into curd, it improves its nutritional quality, and also increases vitamin B12. So curd containing the vitamin B12 more than the milk. So this is also correct statement. Then fourth is given that is lab may result in acidity in the stomach of the human being. So no, this statement is wrong. So because it lab may result in the acidity, no, this lab doesn't may result in acidity. So it is also check the growth of the disease causing microbes of the stomata. It check disease causing microbes in the stomach. So this statement is wrong here. So which are the correct statement? First, second and third. So option C is correct of this question. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.